Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. OPF paper is the innovation project designed by our group. Our group consists of 5 members, myself Noliana, Nurul Shakira, Najiha Umaira, Amir Firdaus and Muhammad Ajwad. Our project supervisor is Madam Nur Rashidah binti Muhammad Noor. All of us is from Pahang Matriculation College. This project investigates the potential of oil palm biomass as a sustainable raw material for paper production. It aims to improve the paper quality while reducing environmental impact caused by conventional wood-based pulping method. So, what exactly are we setting out to achieve? Our innovation is designed with 3 core objectives in mind. First, we aim to produce paper with superior strength and resistance compared to wood-based paper. Second, our mission is to create a truly eco-friendly paper that helps reduce deforestation. Finally, we are focused on making this solution cost-effective. Nowadays, the demand for paper is increasing rapidly. Unfortunately, this has led to deforestation and overuse of forest resources. Conventional paper production also brings negative effects such as environmental degradation and high carbon emission. At the same time, a large amount of OPF simply discarded, which causes waste management issue. So, why did we choose oil palm? Firstly, oil palm is one of the most abundant resources in our region, but sadly much of its biomass is left unused. According to ResearchGate, Malaysia is the second biggest palm oil producer worldwide. About 5.9 million hectares of area planted with oil palm in Malaysia as recorded in 2019. Secondly, OPF residues are rich in cellulose, which is a very important component in paper making because it provides strength and durability. By extracting and optimizing the cellulose content from oil palm biomass, our innovation aims to produce high-quality paper while reducing waste. According to ResearchGate, OPF consists of 42.67% cellulose, 34% hemicellulose, and 29.9% lignin. Next, I will explain the methodology of our project. First, we wash and clean the oil palm pulp. Then we blend the pulp with water until the texture becomes smooth. After that, the mixture is transferred into a container and we add glue as a binding agent. We also add essential oils to give fragrance and stir evenly. Next, the mixture is poured into a paper frame, making sure it's not too thick. We place the pulp on a towel and press it with a sponge to remove excess water. Finally, we dry it under the sun until the paper is ready to use. Now, I will explain the innovation strategies used in making OPF paper. We summarize the process with the acronym PAPER. First, prepare. We collect and process oil palm fibers as the raw material. Next, analyze. We study the fiber properties, strength and also the limitation. Produce. We develop paper sheets using optimized method. After that, enhance. We improve the paper's qualities such as strength, texture and eco-friendliness. Research. We test, evaluate and refine to achieve better outcome. Next, let's look at the benefit of OPF paper. For individual, OPF paper is safer for everyday use. It encourages eco-creative thinking and even opens job opportunities in paper making. For society, it helps boost the local economy through the use of agricultural waste and promote sustainability awareness and education. For environment, OPF paper reduces deforestation since it replaces wood pulp and also recycle OPF, which help minimize agricultural waste. Our project is also aligned with several sustainable development goals. Firstly, SDG 3, which is good health and well-being. Secondly, SDG 8, which is decent work and economic growth. Lastly, SDG 30, which is climate action. Now, let's move on to the novelty of our project. First, it focuses on waste valorization, transforming agricultural residue into a useful product. Since oil palm cultivation is widespread in Malaysia, we have an abundant resource of fronds available. This also helps to reduce deforestation as we rely less on wood for paper production. And finally, it supports a circular economy, promoting zero waste by turning residue into resource. Even though OPF paper already has many benefits, there are still opportunities for improvement. First, we can make the paper stronger by mixing OPF with other natural fibers such as banana fiber or bamboo. Second, we can add different texture like smooth, rough or glossy so the paper can be used for different purposes. Lastly, we can produce OPF paper in various natural colors and use eco-friendly dyes to make it more attractive and sustainable. Next, we would like to share some of the feedback we received about our product. That's all from us. Thank you.